The Jeep Grand Cherokee, renowned for its off-road capability, underwent a jaw-dropping transformation with a twin-turbo conversion. This extreme modification involved integrating dual turbochargers into the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, skyrocketing its horsepower from 475 to an earth-shaking 950. The adrenaline-fueled challenge was in balancing the massive power increase with reliability and durability, requiring specialized cooling systems and beefier engine internals. Aesthetically, the Grand Cherokee gleams with a lowered stance, custom wide-body kit, and carbon fiber accents, blending aggression with elegance. This transformation not only made history with its ferocious acceleration, but also redefined the limits of SUV performance in breathtaking style.